Everyone, my name is Carmilla Zion. I am originally born and raised in Ohio, a transplant to Atlanta, Georgia for the last 27 years. I came on this tour with Brother Bomani, Africa for the Africans, and I got more than what I expected. I found my home. I found home. I really found home.
That's great.
A place where I'm affirmed everywhere I go. Everywhere I look, I see myself, and for me that just feels great. Yeah, and so if you're considering coming back to the motherland for investment opportunities, or just to feel a place, a sense of oneness, I start with Bomani.
All
I love it.
right. Did you have the chance to go to the dungeons?
Yes, I did go to the dungeons. I'm a little numb right now of what I've seen. Emotionally, I don't have any feelings right now, but I'm numb. I'll admit I'm very numb with all the information that was shared and the atrocities that took place. I'm speechless. I'm really speechless behind it.
All right. All right. So, what advice or what message you get for the folks out there on the trip?
On the trip.
Yeah.
Those that are considering coming. It'll be worth your time. We've had the most amazing 14 days, region to region to region around Ghana. I met the most amazing people. I feel at home. They're very gracious. I got a chance to see with my own eyes how really a wonderful and ingenious people that we are. The culture is very, very great. Very great.
All right. So this different from what you've reading from books and stories?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Nothing that they told us was true. Nothing that they told us was true. I'm sitting here next to the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh yeah.
Palm trees, coconuts. We had coconuts from, they go right on the trees and buy coconuts. I mean, not even buy, you just go get them. It's a wonderful place, a beautiful place.
Right.